This is the Gerber Genuine 99-025 tank to bowl kit. Now this does fit multiple different Gerber tank models. And of course the kit will come complete with the gasket, the 2 bolts, 4 plastic wing nuts, and these little channel pieces that'll keep the tank from rocking. Now with some measurements of the gasket, see from the bottom here, from the inside diameter, measures right about 2 1/4, right below 2.5 inches. And then from here, from the outside diameter, measures right at about 3 3/4 inches, almost at 4. And then try to get the inside diameter here, which is right at about 2.5 inches. Once again, this is the Gerber Genuine 99-025 tank to bowl kit.